Dear students, in this session, let us discuss the measurements of development. One of the measurements of development is per capita income. Per capita real income is another important indicator of economic development. Higher per capita income is an index of higher rate of economic growth and vice versa. This formula takes into consideration the population growth. Professor Meyer defines economic development as a process whereby the real per capita income of a country increases over a long period of times. Economists like Arthur Lewis and other economists is in favor of measuring growth by per capita real income. The protagonist of this view that per capita real income is the better index of development. They pointed out that chief interest in the development of a poor country being the aim of eliminating mass poverty, the emphasis should be on a rise in per capita real income rather than simply on increase in total national real income uncorrected for population changes. In this context, economists suggest the per capita income to be a good measure of economic development. We cannot say that a development has taken place when the growth of population exceeds the growth of output or real national income. In that case, each person is worse off than before. Even if the two growth rates are equal, the average standard of living remains unchanged. Thus, if economic development is to be meaningful, the increase in real national income must be higher than increase in population. Limitations. An increase in per capita income may not rise the real standard of living of the masses. The per capita income fails to take into account problems associated with basic needs. If failed to measure changes in output due to changes in price level. The above discussion brings out the importance of the population factor in deciding upon choosing between total and per capita national real income as the measure of development. Thank you.